Welcome back to Product Critique, the channel where we bring you in-depth reviews and insights on the latest and greatest products. Today, we have something exciting to talk about for all the mechanical keyboard enthusiasts out there. We're diving into the Akko V3 Fairy Linear Silent Keyboard Switch. A must-have for anyone looking to elevate their typing experience. The Akko V3 Fairy Linear Silent Keyboard Switch is making waves in the mechanical keyboard community, and for good reason. Let's start with what makes these switches stand out. First off, the Akko V3 switches have undergone significant improvements. They now feature alloy copper and palladium gold contacts, enhancing conductivity, stability, and durability. What sets these switches apart is their silent and smooth operation. They offer a quiet typing experience without the tactile bump or audible click, making them ideal for those who want to type without disturbing others. These switches are compatible with most keycap sets thanks to their MX-style structure. Plus, they come with a built-in LED slot, ready for LED mod assembly. And are SMD compatible, giving you the flexibility to create a custom keyboard that stands out. When it comes to durability, the Akko Fairy switches have an approximate lifespan of 50 million keystrokes based on laboratory tests. So, you can trust that they'll last a long time, even under heavy use. Now, let's talk about pricing and availability. You can get a pack of 45 switches for just $18.99, which is a fantastic deal considering the quality and features they offer. And remember, they're eligible for return, refund, or replacement within 30 days of receipt. In conclusion, the Akko V3 Fairy Linear Silent Keyboard Switches are a top-notch choice for mechanical keyboard enthusiasts. With improved contacts, silent operation, and compatibility with most keycap sets, they offer excellent value for the price. If you're looking to upgrade your typing experience, these switches are worth considering. That's all for today's review on Product Critique. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more product reviews and recommendations. Thanks for tuning in, and we'll see you next time.